Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Seven Persons, Alberta. This small prairie town is located just southwest of Medicine Hat along Highway 3. It's surrounded by flat farmland and wide open skies with the clear waters of Seven Persons Creek running nearby. The land here is known for farming, especially grains and cattle. The name Seven Persons has a bit of mystery to it. According to local legend, the area was named after 7 people who died near the creek under strange or tragic circumstances long ago. Some say they were Blackfoot warriors. Others say they were early settlers, but no one knows for sure. The name stuck, and it's one of the most unique in Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Seven Persons, Alberta.